Wow, we're live. I just did it. It is all done. I don't even know how much of what. I think I put like 3 apples, 2 oranges, 4 stalks of celery, and 3 carrots, I think it was. Yeah. So good. I know, I just need to clean this guy up. A mission.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss a night?
Today is a super exciting day because I'm officially launching my side business, my strategy business. Well, it's a soft launch, meaning I'm going to make the site live and I'm only going to tell like a handful of people, and then later on this week I'll like put it out in my newsletter, announce it on social media, etc. There were a couple of kinks that I was trying to work out with the back end that I just couldn't figure out, and I'm really trying to work through my perfectionism, which is something that holds me back. I have to learn to let go and just put things out there. It's never going to be perfect. There's always going to be something that you need to work on, and the only way for me to really test like the user flow and what's working and what isn't is if I just make it live. So that's what I'm going to do. Later on today, I was still working on a couple of things, but I'm excited because I put a lot of work into this and thought, and yeah, I'm going out and I'm doing it. So I'm excited.
To feel awkward silences. Do we feel emptiness afterwards? Cause I
wanted to just talk about the products that I tried earlier this morning. Alright, so the first product that I tried was the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. This is a pore minimizing primer, and this is in translucent, and I was highly impressed with this. I think it did a really good job of controlling the oil but also just smoothing out that area. I think that it is a great alternative to the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, more affordable option. If you're looking for something drugstore, these two in my opinion are comparable. The other product that I tried, well, I think I bought this before, but I don't remember, so that's why I'm saying it's like my first time trying it, and I don't think I used it long enough to really give like a full like review. It is the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. I got this in the shade Deep because I've gotten some sun, and this is what it looks like. When it comes out the tube, it's white and it's supposed to adjust to your skin tone. So, and this is not comedogenic, which is really important for me because I'm acne prone. I don't need anything to be clogging up my pores. It's very light. I like this for days where I just don't want to wear makeup, like foundation or anything like that. And if you guys been watching me for a minute, then you already know when it comes to like my everyday makeup, I don't care to have everything like completely, you know, covered and looking flawless. Like I still have some of my blemishes and scars coming through because that is life, and I just wanted something comfortable that didn't feel too heavy on my face, and this was, you know, this was pretty good. And the other thing that I tried is a liquid eyeshadow by Koki. This is called Crystal Fusion, and the shade, I am so blind. I think this says Cafecito or Celeste. I think it says Celeste. Anyway, I am a pretty simple, natural, bronzy, golden type of chick. So I really, really like this one. I did not set it on purpose because when it comes to things like this and just certain products, I like to test it as is to see, you know, if it's fine alone or if I need to set it or put something underneath or whatever. I also got it in another shade. This one is a little bit darker. This one is called Starlight. I think I'll try this one next. This one is just like a deeper bronze color. So I'll put them next to each other so you guys can see what they look like. But those are the two shades. So those are my first impressions. So if you're interested, I will link them down in the description box so that you can try them out for yourself. Also, I washed my hair yesterday and all I did was put a leave in it and then I split it down the middle and it had 2 big braids. I say braids very loosely because I suck with braids, but this is the result of my twist out and I think it's looking pretty decent. The right side came out better than the left, but that's like the story of my life. Like, oh my god, you guys, I hope you can hear me. I don't know, because fan over here, fan over here. I'm sitting here doing some like last minute social graphics and texting with my friend Miriam. I was joking with her because we were talking about my ebook, and then my friend over in the UK that I sent the document to emailed me with edits. It's like we summoned her. I'm so grateful. Like, I was tearing up a little bit because I have sent this book out to 5 people and only 2 gave me feedback with edits. None have done the exercises, which is okay. I am just in a place of pushing through fear and not letting small things stop me. So I'm pushing through with the ebook, obviously, like really diving in when I wasn't working on like the side hustle stuff. I'm just so thankful. So I'm just like going through everything and reading what the edits are in her notes, and she's going to do all of the worksheets this weekend, hopefully, if she's not too busy. So I'm gonna finish looking through this. I just wanted to pop in and just like share that because this is part of the journey. This is part of the creating journey and the moments and the things that you don't see when people release products. You don't see the work, the doubt, the questions, you know, you don't see any of that. And I want to be really transparent about it because it's hard work. You guys see a book, a course, or whatever, and you think like, I don't know what you guys think, but I just wanted to show behind the scenes. Real emotion. This just happened. I just got this email, looking at this document, and I'm just feeling so grateful. I just got back from a quick little coffee run. I am treating myself to coffee. I know that sounds crazy, but the thing is that I haven't been doing sugar for a couple of weeks and I'm proud of myself. But as a mini congratulations for launching and pushing through, I went to my favorite spot in the hood, Green Juice, and got an iced dirty chai latte, which I have never tried it iced before. So let's see. That's good. That's rich. I like that. Today is not going to be anything exciting, so I'm not going to vlog too much. It's just a lot of work on the computer. There are so many like little tiny little things that I need to fix and work on, some email sequences and some social graphics and all that stuff so that I can announce it. Today is just about letting my closest friends, family, and former colleagues know that I've launched this service and just putting it out to those people first. And then Friday I'll announce it on my newsletter, and then social on Monday. I'll just be sitting in front of the computer getting ish done. I have a hefty list. I think I could get through it without interruptions, so you know what that means. Putting the phone on Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb is on so I can stay focused for the day. Hello, happy Thursday. It's like the next day or 2 days later. I don't remember where I left off in the last vlog, but it worked out. I showered. I just refreshed my curls a little bit. It's basically lunchtime, so I ordered a salad. I'm waiting for that to come, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna work on my email sequences and have everything scheduled and ready to go for tomorrow to announce to my newsletter fam about Boss and Conquer. I have to take pictures for something else and shoot like a video. So I have a lot to do today. I'm excited to finally get Boss and Conquer off the ground because I have so many other ideas and plans that I've been wanting to do under that umbrella. So I'm just excited to get it rolling. Salad is here, and I have to say I've ordered this before and it was a lot fuller than this. So they definitely playing me. Somebody definitely messed up the salad. This is not a Caesar. They put mozzarella and shredded cheddar cheese in here. I know my taste buds are off, but even the dressing doesn't even taste like a Caesar, and this doesn't look like their Caesar salads that I've gotten before, like at all. I'm still gonna eat it because I paid for it, but how disappointing. I was so looking forward to this. I just finished taking the pictures. I have a hot mess and now I just need to like clean and put everything away. I finished just in time. I got my email sequences set up for Boss and Conquer. I need to step out, and then when I get back I am going to finish cleaning up this mess that I got here because it is looking kind of, you know, crazy. Then I'll schedule my personal newsletter announcing it. So far it's been a successful day. I'm happy. go. Happy Friday. It is 1:11. The newsletter has gone out. I can kind of relax now. It's kind of stressful to release something like this because it's not like a product that you make and then you just, you know, it does its own thing. No, like I have to put into it every day. I have not slept the past couple of days just trying to like do all of these things. I'm getting hungry, so let's get food ready. What people don't know is that doing any type of social media strategy, content creation strategy, newsletters and all of that, it takes a lot of time. Like I literally spent a day and a half just designing the newsletters and setting up the automations because, you know, you got to test things and make sure that they actually work, and sometimes things don't save, and I'm using a whole new like newsletter provider now, so like trying to figure that out. Like little things. It's the little things. It's just crazy to me sometimes when I talk to people and they think that all it is like posting pictures on Instagram and like that's it, you know. There's a lot that goes into it, and sometimes when I look at these job descriptions or I hear like from other people what's out there in marketing, it's insane to me that they literally try to take 6 different roles and put it into one. Email marketing is a specialty. Whoever's doing email marketing should only focus on email marketing, you know. But now you'll see positions for like social media management, or like they use like very misleading titles and they want you to do everything. They want you to be the strategist, the analyst, do the reporting, take the pictures, edit the pictures, do videography, edit, no HTML, no JavaScript, no. I'm just like, y'all are crazy. It literally took me a day and a half just for emails. That's the world we're living in now. Everybody wants cheap labor. I'm excited that it's out. I just need to finish scheduling like all of the social media posts for Boss and Conquer, and I can now focus on the ebook. Project 2 of 3. I can start. Not today. I'm going to relax today. I will leave all of the information for Boss and Conquer in the description box. Links to the website, social media, a private Facebook group. I would love to have you join. So it's social media strategy, content creation strategy, making it easy. I'm also offering blog audits. It's a community. It's a community of creative spirit. So wherever you are in your journey, join the private Facebook group, because this is not just about social media tips. This is also personal development. That's a factor when it comes to social media and influencer marketing and all of that stuff that nobody really talks about. Everyone wants to give you all these quick tips and guides and gimmicks and all of this stuff, but it's like, yo, what about your mindset? What about your time management? What about working through your blocks that stop you from even creating the content so that you could post it online? That's what people don't talk about. That's what I'm bringing. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I feel like it's long. I don't know, maybe. I have no idea what the hell I've been filming. Everything's been about this journey of launching. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Subscribing helps me out and it's free, and I would appreciate it, and I would love to have you join the fam. If you have any recommendations for videos, leave them for me in the comments. Any questions, leave them for me in the comments. If you want to see more content like this, kind of like behind the scenes business building, creator life, let me know. I do have a series. I will put it somewhere over here so you guys can watch it. Thanks again.